Hey there, friends. Do you find yourself swatting at tiny, pesky gnats that seem to appear out of nowhere? You're not alone. Today, we're going to show you how to get rid of gnats once and for all. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First things first, let's understand our tiny foes. Gnats are small flying insects, often mistaken for fruit flies. They thrive in moist environments and are attracted to organic matter. According to entomologists at the University of California, gnats are especially drawn to decaying fruits and damp soil. Knowing their preferences helps us combat them effectively. Here are some time-tested ways to get rid of them. The classic vinegar trap. One of the most effective methods to catch gnats is the vinegar trap. Here's how you can set it up. Grab a small container or jar. Any old jar will do. Clean it out, and you're good to go. Pour in apple cider vinegar. Gnats are irresistibly attracted to the smell. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, regular vinegar can work, but apple cider is more effective. Add a few drops of dish soap. This breaks the surface tension, ensuring that gnats can't escape once they land. Cover with plastic wrap and secure with a rubber band. Then, poke a few holes on top. This design lures gnats in but makes it hard for them to get out. Place the trap where gnats are most active. Common spots include the kitchen, near fruit baskets, or potted plants. This method is backed by a study from the University of Kentucky, which found vinegar traps to be among the most effective for capturing and reducing gnat populations. The overripe fruit trap. If vinegar isn't cutting it, let's entice them with something sweeter. Place a piece of overripe fruit in a bowl. Bananas or peaches work wonders. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and secure it. Again, poke small holes on the top. Leave it out overnight. By morning, you'll see how many gnats you've captured. This method leverages the gnat's natural attraction to fermenting fruits. Researchers from Ohio State University have highlighted the efficacy of this trap in domestic settings. Yellow sticky traps. Have you ever noticed how bugs are attracted to bright colors? Yellow sticky traps exploit this behavior. Purchase yellow sticky traps from a local garden store. They're inexpensive and readily available. Place them near potted plants or areas with high gnat activity. The bright yellow color lures them in, and they get stuck. According to gardening experts at Gardener's World magazine, these traps are particularly effective against fungus gnat plants. Proper plant care. Sometimes, our beloved plants might be the culprits. Avoid overwatering plants. Gnats love moist soil. Let the top inch of soil dry out between watering. Use sand or gravel. Adding a layer on top of the soil can deter gnats from laying eggs. If infestation is severe, consider repotting. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 4 parts water. Use this to water your plants. It kills gnat larvae without harming the plant. These tips are endorsed by horticulturists from the Royal Horticultural Society, emphasizing that plant care is crucial in preventing gnat infestations. Maintain cleanliness. A clean home is a gnat-free home. Dispose of garbage regularly, especially organic waste. Clean drains. Gnats can breed in sink drains. Pour boiling water or a mixture of baking soda and vinegar. Store fruits properly. Refrigerate ripe fruits and clean any spills immediately. The National Pest Management Association stresses the importance of sanitation in pest prevention. Seal entry points. Let's ensure gnats don't find their way inside. Install mesh screens on windows and doors. This prevents entry while allowing ventilation. Seal cracks and gaps. Use silicone caulk to seal potential entry points. Home improvement experts from this old house recommend regular checks for potential entry points to keep all pests at bay. If you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with friends and family who might be battling these pesky invaders. Also, drop a comment below if you have any other effective methods to get rid of gnats. When to call professionals. If all else fails and the infestation is severe, it might be time to call in the pros. Pest control experts have tools and treatments that can handle stubborn gnat problems. And there you have it. With these tried and tested methods, you'll be well on your way to a gnat-free environment. Remember, persistence is key. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your spaces clean and your homes happy.